Jakey's happy. Percy! Percy's watching the snow. Hi, bud. Hi, buddy. Can't see you. Maybe if we go down here. Oh, I still see reflection. I see me with my Faraday hat on my head. Woo! There's Percy. He's watching the snowflakes. He loves snow. Oh, it's dumping. I just made, I think, what will be my last trip of the storm out because it's getting a bit dicey for driving. Oh, there's a beautiful House Finch up there. Bright red. Oh, cute. Little pair sitting together. So cute. Yeah, the birds are certainly appreciating the fact that I'm keeping their little restaurant open and fully stocked. Oh, you're cute. Come eat. We got yummy foods. I promise I got lots of suet cakes and stuff too. Oh, they said we'll be back. We wrapped a scarf around this other extra feeder I got for the hummingbirds. And I got lights on the other one to keep the nectar from freezing. And then the birdies got their food, and then the squirrelies. I haven't seen any squirrels. They must be hiding out. Jake. Jake, you're such a goober. Jake, he just loves the snow. Look, he's like a reverse Dalmatian. Jakey. Dalmatius reversus. I'm going to start a new breed and sell it for millions of dollars. Except once the snow melts, you don't have your breed anymore. God, look at this. This is so pretty. And I think what I'm going to do, crazy as it may sound, is take my tobogganing penguins and snowmen and put them out in the snow because they finally have snow to ride. And they sat on the grass for so long through Thanksgiving and New Year's and Christmas. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go get my stuff now. Whew, this is fun. I don't know, as long as you got enough food and the power stays on. Even if the power goes off, I've got a wood stove and plenty of firewood, so we're good to go. Look at the Jake. Jake could care less. Jake, you're covered with snow. He says, yes, so what? I like it. You are one silly